part of the leader is still in his mouth,
Yeah.
but there's only so much we can do.
Yeah, it's so sick. Yeah, they just don't really realize what happens. I'm not sure where it is. I just have your phone number in my phone in case I see this and then, I could do something. So, because one time I saw Pelican and I couldn't help him. And I just vowed when I go home I'm gonna put that number on my phone. So, that's awesome.
I never knew there was a number.
Yeah, I'll give it to you if you want.
The guy there with the green shirts, he was the one that noticed him. Yeah. He was the one that noticed the two of them tied together. And the one was moving, but it was kind of